Are you wondering what is a black hole? You are at the right place, my friends. Hello everyone, welcome to Do You Know? If you are new here, kindly subscribe as I'm sure that you will love the content that I post. So let's get started. Obviously, the first question in your mind would be, what is a black hole? Well, let us find out. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to the black holes act differently than other stars. Since we have understood what is a black hole, we need to know what is a black hole made of. The answer to this question is little tricky as the research is insufficient. The problem with understanding exactly what happens to the stuff that is pulled into a black hole is that physicists really don't have a complete understanding of how gravity works under extreme conditions found in a black hole. Called quantum gravity, an understanding of how gravity works in a black hole requires physicists to figure out what happens to gravity at atomic scale levels. The physical properties of a black hole, which are mass, charge, and angular momentum, are measurable and are properties that derive from the event horizon of a black hole. Inside the event horizon, which is where quantum gravity effects start to come into play, are poorly understood. Physicists cannot be definitive on this issue as we just don't have good understanding of how gravity works at the center of a black hole. Well, now surely you would like to know how big are black holes. Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of a large mountain. Mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object. Another kind of black hole is called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. There may be many stellar mass black holes in Earth's galaxy. Earth's galaxy is called the Milky Way. The largest black holes are called supermassive. These black holes have masses that are more than 1 million suns together. Scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few million Earths. Wow, that is surely very huge. Moving forward, we would surely love to know, how do black holes form? Scientists think the smallest black holes formed when the universe began. Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. I know, friends, the burning question in your mind would be, if black holes are black, how do scientists know they are there? A black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pulls all of the light into the middle of the black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. When a black hole and a star are close together, high energy light is made. The kind of light cannot be seen with human eyes. Scientists use satellites and telescopes in space to see the high energy light. All this surely makes the black hole an astonishing space mystery. Who discovered the black hole? British astronomers Louis Webster and Paul Merdin at the Royal Greenwich Observatory and Thomas Bolton, a student at the University of Toronto, independently announced the discovery of a massive but invisible object in orbit around a blue star over 6,000 light years away. The first modern solution of general relativity that would characterize a black hole was found by Karl Schwarzschild in 1916, and its interpretation as a region of space from which nothing can escape was first published by David Finkelstein in 1958. Could a black hole destroy the Earth? If you are one like me who used to think that black holes will come and eat the Earth, then do not worry, my friends. Black holes do not go around in space eating stars, moons, and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole, the same mass as the Sun, were to take the place of the Sun, Earth still would not fall in. The black hole would have the same gravity as the Sun. Earth and other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the Sun now. The Sun will never turn into a black hole. The Sun is not a big enough star to make a black hole. Moving to our last question, how do space research organizations like NASA study black holes? They do so by using satellites and telescopes that are traveling in space to learn more about the black holes. These spacecrafts help scientists answer questions about the universe. How was the video, my friends? I have tried my level best to give you a fair idea of black holes in a simple manner. Hope you loved my effort. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Also, do not forget to leave your valuable comments below.